That's feminine. Feminine doesn't lead. She is looking so hard to get grounded in what's going to make sense, either talking the sense into you or waiting for your lead to talk sense into her. But exactly, you're buying into her bubble. The cards say this, and if you, oh no, they don't, is it you're debating with it? Y'all are over there in her bubble. Good luck, brother. That shit ain't never gonna make sense. Your responses ain't gonna take care of it. There is not enough questions. She needs your fucking bubble. She needs to be daddy's baby girl sitting on your lap. I got you, calm down, stop with the crying, let's wipe the tears out your eye. Chill out. With patience, with generosity, with love. And you know, that's why we're having the conversation. You know what it takes to do that. And you know it's not gonna be, oh, I remember that first time you brought me off the horse. No, that Bronco's gonna buck the next time you gotta do something with your close friends and their kids. Or next time she has to brush up against the fence of what your containment looks like that she's not used to. She wants to be grounded in your world, and you have to show her how. Because that's the reality. Like you said, it's not, do you even want a relationship with this woman? That's a different conversation. Being responsible for, look, baby girl, if you can't get this, this is a part of my life. I care for kids, I care for friends, I love like this. She's trying to map on in her world, it makes no fucking sense. And that's why you're getting the fire alarms.